Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. It's the fall. Fall means projects to get ready for winter. So that's what we're up to today. We're going to do a kind of a get ready for winter project because winter's coming, I'm afraid. On the back of my boathouse down by the lake, I built a rack many years ago to hold the boat. I had a 14-foot Princecraft. I had a little 10-foot skiff that I had for a bit, and a canoe. Well, so there's room for 3 boats down there. Kinda. That's the problem. I don't have the 10-foot skiff anymore, and to get the 14-foot Princecraft in and out of this rack, it just barely fits. So you got to do a lot of wiggling and jiggling, holding your tongue just right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the gap bigger to hold my Princecraft boat, and then that's going to allow me on the bottom rack to store some lumber that I have left over from when I built my deck. So that's what I'm up to today. I'm going to go down and I'm going to change the layout of my boat rack. So come on down and have a look. Take a walk down the garden path. Well, it's not a garden path. We call it a trail to the lake. We didn't have really nice color on the leaves this year. Usually we get really nice color on the leaves, but didn't happen this year. I guess Hurricane Dorian changed all that. But you can see out across the lake there, there's some leaves that are turning. And with the sun on them, it even looks brighter than it is, but it's usually pretty colorful across there. But anyhow, not this year. Here's my boat ramp. I've got a canoe on the top on this middle ramp here. That's where I like to store my Princecraft. And then in the bottom, I used to have just a 10-foot skiff I'd stick on the bottom there, and we just lay the paddle boat alongside. That keeps the water out of it better than anything else we've tried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this center section. I'm going to lower it probably a foot. Then I'll be able to get the Princecraft in there a lot easier, less bending, and then I'll have the bottom rack for putting some wood and whatnot on. So the first thing I'm up to is I'm going to take all these boards off this center lift here, and I want to lower those down because this is the section that's going to hold the Princecraft. Alright, so this was the position of the last rack right here. So I'd like to move it down, well, quite a bit. Let me see. From there to there is 26.5 inches. That's the top of the rack right here, 26.5. And I'd like to make it bigger than that. I'm going to make it 3 feet to the top of the rack. Right there. So now I'm just going to check that and see to the top of the rack. That would be like that. And then that would give me about 18 inches of space on the bottom to pile lumber. So I think that's where I'm going to locate it, right there. so then that makes it 86 inches between them. So I'm going to go set the other side at that. Now, just because I don't want to use those same screw holes, I'm going to flip this board around, put this end in there. So we'll set that in there, set that at 17. Alright, so now I've got lots of room in here for my boat, and I've got lots of room down there to pile wood, so I'm going to do the same on the other end. Here's the other end on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this cross member in from that far corner, right over there, right back to here. Now we've put the cross braces in here. I guess that'll do it. Okay, now we have to put them on the inside here, and then we'll be done. There's my boat, Princecraft fisherman, nice boat. And then I have this big opening in here now. So then I can take my boat now and place it on this rack right here, and I have lots of room in there to store it now. And then down below that I've got another rack that's 17 inches between these two. So I'll be able to put some lumber in there, and my building is 4, 8, 12, I think it's 14 feet long. So I should be able to get a good jag of lumber down in here without the ends of it, without a fear of the ends of it sticking out past the building, which is kind of what I was after. And also, since I'm going to be storing wood here probably for the winter, with my boat on this rack here, the boat will provide a little bit of shelter, keep the weather off the wood. So there you go. Alright, so we lowered the middle rack on the boat rack to make it easier to put the boat in and out, and gave me a spot underneath where I can store lumber, and it would be sheltered over the winter because the boat will be over top of it. You gotta like that. Quick little project, and a good one too, because it's going to pay dividends, I'm sure. So anyway, that was it. Like I say, a quick video. Hope you liked it. Click like if you did. Leave me some comments. I love getting comments, and I try to respond to every one of them. And if you haven't done so already, how about clicking on the subscribe button? That wouldn't hurt a bit. So thanks a lot. I hope everybody's doing okay, and thank you for spending some time with me today on this little video of changing my boat rack around. We'll talk to you.